What up guys, it's me Christina. I'm sure you didn't think that I would be back in the kitchen so soon, but I am, because we are doing a TikTok recipe. This TikTok recipe is so cute, and there's a variety of different ones that I've seen, but I will be doing the mini chocolate chip cookies cereal. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'll put a screenshot or video right here so you guys know. But that thing, I mean, it sure seems easy enough, right? So I can't fuck this up. But yeah, I'm really excited because you can't go wrong with some milk and cookies. And this is the first time I'm making this, and I'm doing this on camera, so you guys will be with me for this journey. And yeah, so if you guys like this content, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and also leave some comments down below of other TikTok recipes I should try. I say TikTok recipes, and I like TikTok recipes because they're easy enough and they're really, really short. So that's why. And go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so every time I upload, you will be notified. And if you guys haven't noticed already by my last video and this video, I have a major sweet tooth. I apologize in advance, but if I do cooking videos, baking honestly is where it's at for me. That's the type of videos or recipe videos that you're gonna see from me. Unless you wanna see me try cooking, I can't promise that I will execute the recipe, but I will try, and I think it'd just be entertaining to see me try to make something. Yeah, so if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments below as well. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so for what you're gonna need for this recipe, it's honestly not that much because it's a super easy recipe, but you're gonna need your cookies. I get mine's pre-made dough. I got the Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookies. I didn't get chunky or extra chocolate chips because we are making them into tiny cookies, but I'm sure this will do with peanut butter, sugar cookies, any of those. You can use that for this recipe. Also, you can, I think what would like up this recipe is if you make it from scratch, but y'all know me, I'm lazy as, and I'm not gonna make them from scratch, but I'm sure it will be so good. I have some milk. Oat milk is my favorite, but you can use almond milk, you can use 2% milk, you can use whatever milk you want. Since this is cereal, we have our bowl and our spoon. You're gonna need your cookie pan and a liner. You can use foil if you don't have the silicone mat. But the silicone mat, if you guys bake a lot, it makes the world of difference when you're baking. So that's all you're gonna need for this recipe. Now let's get cooking.
Preheat your oven according to the instructions on the packaging. First step is to cut your dough into really, really tiny pieces. Since my dough was pre-made and cubed, I cut mine into 6 to 8 pieces. For video purposes, I cut my cubes one by one, but to save some time, and if you're planning to use all of your cookie dough, I would go ahead and cut them all at once. Next step is to roll all your small cookie dough pieces into balls. Place them on the baking pan 1 inch apart. In order to make this a true cereal, I would make at least 40 mini cookies. This step is not absolutely necessary, but I butter the back of a spoon and use it to press the dough balls into circles. Place them in the oven and bake according to the directions on the packaging. Also note, because these are small cookies, they do burn easily. If the directions say bake 8 to 10 minutes, go with the lower number and bake for 8 minutes. Remove them from the oven right away to set and cool. Once the cookies are cool to the touch, go ahead and place them in the bowl.
All right guys, so here we have the cookies. They look so good. I mean, can't go wrong with chocolate chip cookies and milk, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and try the mini cookies first, and then I will have Chelsie come over here on camera and try it with the milk. So here we got a baby cookie. Look at that, look how small it is. That's how small these are, yo. Good. I mean, they're chocolate chip cookies. I did leave them in for a little bit longer. I feel like if you want them crunchy like cereal, leave them in for what it says on the packaging, but if you want them soft, then leave them in for less time than it says on the packaging, because they are smaller, so they cook a lot faster. And I did end up burning like a few. This is what we have here. So Chelsie, you want to come and try this? They remind me of Cookie Crisp, to be honest. Like really, really sweet Cookie Crisp, I guess you could say. So, alright, try one. Mom burnt one. How is it?
Good crunch.
Mm-hmm. All right, here we go. And like I said, I prefer oat milk. Okay, yeah, that's good. Because I don't like too much milk.
When you pour your milk into your cereal, do you like to mix it or do you just like jump right in and start half crunchy?
No, I just go in, I guess. How is it? Good?
Honestly, because I shoved like 3 cookies in, but it's kind of sweet. Versus eating it one by one, so. It just got a lot softer.
Oh, with the milk?
Yeah.
Okay. So thumbs up, thumbs down. Try it again.
Yeah, I tried it, yeah. If you're baking the cookies, yeah, I'd eat them, yeah.
Yeah, I feel like maybe if we made the cookies from scratch, it'd probably be a little bit better, but obviously that takes a lot more work. I'm not sure if this is the best angle, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it myself. They're really good. Honestly, you can't go wrong with milk and cookies, but they're really sweet. So if you're expecting cereal, yes, it's kind of like a cereal, but they're obviously chocolate chip cookies, so they're like 10 times sweeter. And if you like soggy cereal, then that's fine because they crumble really fast. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but they crumble fairly quickly, so I would eat it right away unless you like it like that. 2 thumbs up in my opinion. It's super easy. It's honestly just milk and cookies. It's not that crazy, but I just wanted to try it since we saw it on TikTok. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this video and I'll see you guys in the next one.